Kodi not working on Firestick. All right, guys, here's how you can simply fix this. The first step would be to restart your Firestick. So unplug the Firestick for 5 to 10 seconds and then replug it in and load everything up. The second thing you can try is clearing cache by going to settings, heading into applications, and then manage install apps. Go ahead and select Kodi and then simply click on clear cache. So go ahead and clear the cache. Don't clear the data yet unless you actually need to. It would wipe out the add-ons. Now, another thing you could try is also checking your internet connection. So head into settings on your Fire Stick, click on network, and then click on test connection to see if you're connected to the internet. That could also be another way of fixing this. Another way would be to also update the Kodi application. So just go ahead and uninstall the old Kodi app. Make sure you keep your login details, and then simply install the latest version using the downloader or the application itself. And then last but not least, just simply turn off any VPN you're using. So turn it off and then switch to another server, and that should fix up this issue. All right.